So Majesty saw this race car and said he wants to ride on it. And this driver was so kind and patient and nice that he let Majesty in and he drove him around. So let's see if Majesty is going to...
Wait, we're going to...
Nothing? You still going out again?
No, we're going to...
Huh?
Going to relax. Going to relax.
Okay. I just make short video for him. He doesn't want to get down.
We go now here. We go by fire truck. Okay, let's go.
You want to watch Paw Patrol?
Fire truck.
And Lollipop.
Let's go by fire truck. Okay.
Let's go to the dogs.
Okay. I get you. So, but no dogs, no dogs. We go by red fire truck. Red fire truck. Yes. Thank you, race car. Say thank you, race car.
Thank you, sir. God bless you. Thank you.
Wow! Bravo, race car!
High five! High five! You did it! Bravo!
Good job, Majesty! Good job!
You want to eat something?
This shall be. It's not cheap.
Come, let's go. Let's go get you lollipop.
A lollipop!
You don't want lollipop? Huh?
Fire truck. Fire truck.
You want fire truck? I get you. Come. I get you. Come. Come, my love.
Fire truck
You
for
want fire truck? Okay, I will get you, okay?
me. Broken.
Huh? It's broken. Achoo! Achoo! Where is dog? Oh no, don't go. There's cars. Don't go in the road. Come, I can.